Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, it's begun. And by what I mean it's begun is I have started back up my dividend portfolio.
You smart.
For all those new to the channel, I had a dividend portfolio and it was going good. I got up to 20K and then I got so involved in options. I ended up allocating a lot of that money towards options, and now I'm making a lot of money with that portfolio. Then I am pulling some money out to get my second house and a whole lot. But I really do enjoy dividends, so I decided to start up another account. This time I'm gonna put in M1 Finance, not my Fidelity account. And in this M1 Finance account, we're gonna start it off real good. I already allocated $1,500 into the account, and we probably more than likely will allocate between $1,000 and $1,500 into the account on a monthly basis. I want to really grow this account fairly quick to to at least about 10 to 15K fairly quickly. I want to make sure I can set it off. So in this portfolio, in M1 Finance, it's going to be strictly dividends. It's going to be a good year. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and most definitely like this video. It really does help. Like I said, I've been gaining a lot of traction on YouTube. Hopefully I can get monetized this year. That's one of my goals I set. But like I said, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now, I picked M1 Finance this time around because I had the money in Robinhood, and so much going on with that stock. It really is. I don't think the platform's gonna go down, but there's just so much going on with that. I was just like, I just want to allocate it over to M1 Finance. So that's what I did. Now I got $1,500 so far into the M1 Finance, and I got my money allocated into 4 different stocks. We got 30% in the OKE, 30% in the MO, 30% in the SO, and that'll be 10% in SPHD. Now all these are ticker symbols. I'm going to show you the portfolio right now on the screen. Alright, so as you can see from the portfolio, we got Southern Company, we got Actual Group Incorporated, we got 1OK Incorporated, and we got the SPHD. Now I allocated 30, 30, 30, 10. So far we put in 450, 450, 450, and 150, right? Now, as you can see, the market is making its downward turn due to no interest rates, fear, so much going on. There's really no cause in the market to just drop. Everybody's saying it's going to be the correction because everything is in a bubble, and that may be so, or that may be not so. I do think interest rates are mad high, and they're going to grow even higher with with so much stuff increasing in price with the inflation. I do get it, and I just want to let you guys know, I don't care what happens. I don't care how bad it gets. I don't care if it continues to drop. With this portfolio, I would allocate $1,000 to $1,500 into the portfolio every month. Every month.
Here we go. Come on, push it. Buy the dip. Buy the dip.
So if it keeps dropping, which more likely has a high chance to, how far, we have no. We don't know.
What I'm saying is that there are known knowns and that there are known unknowns, but there's also unknown unknowns. Things we don't know that we don't know.
What?
LOL. But like I said again, so far we are already down. We have not received any dividends, and if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to allocate some more money in maybe next week. Do I get paid this week? No, unfortunately I don't. That sucks. But next week I'll probably allocate some more money into this. And me personally, if it drops, I understand, like, things are outrageously expensive. Houses, tools, everything, gas, food. So more than likely I think we are going to be heading towards inflation, but I'm still going to be allocating this money to these stocks. And my goal or investing strategy so far would be to get a decent amount of these 4 stocks, mainly the first 3. SBHD, I would just constantly trickle in. I keep it at 10% at all times just because it's a monthly dividend. And the reason I chose these 3 stocks, just make it clear, each one of these stocks pay out in a different month. So OKE pays out next month, February, and then in March SO pays out, and then in April MO pays out. But SBHD pays out every month, so that's the strategy. These are the dates, so I should get a dividend payout every single month. And the goal is, like I said, to allocate the most money to the 3 and just constantly add in at a 10% rate to SBHD for the monthly dividend. I want to get a surplus amount of these 3, maybe up to about 200 shares a piece. Once I get to about 200 shares a piece, I would then add in another stock into the dividend portfolio that pays out within one of those months, whichever one pays the least. So let's just say SO, which it does, pays the least in dividends. I will pick another stock that I like as far as a dividend payout that pays out in that month. So that month, as far as SO being the lowest month, if I add another stock to that month, I should be able to increase that monthly output every month. And that's the goal for this strategy. I'm going to add in the stock as I get to 200 shares for each. And as yet again, we're going to move more than likely with SO first to pick a stock that lines up in the same month, payout with that stock, so I can increase that monthly income. And then we'll move on to the next one and then the next one. So that's my investment strategy. Like I said, the reason I'm doing this because the stocks that I'm picking, they are very good dividend stocks. They've been paying dividends for quite some time. And I want a dividend portfolio that's focused solely around income. I want to get to $500 a month fairly quick. I doubt I do it in 1 year. Maybe I can get up to $200-300 a month this year. I'm pretty sure I can do that, but not 500, unfortunately. That'll probably like a next year goal. But that's the goal. I want to get up to earning X amount in a month. And I think I can pretty much hit $200 a month within this year. So that's a high possibility. But this is the type of strategy I go for. Now, I know the strategy has a name, but I don't know what it is. Because when I first got into dividends, I just did a lot of research on dividends, payouts, how they pay out, what they pay out. And this is what I came up with. I'm pretty sure there's a very smart person out there who already thought of this and it has a name. If you know the name, leave it in the description. Leave it in the description. I'll be happy to know the name and do some research on it. But me personally, I have no idea. But this is how I do my dividends, because all of us essentially get stuck up on how much is produced in a month. We know we shouldn't, but we do. And for me, I do. I wanted to produce X amount a month. That way I know what's coming in, and there's like a goal you set for yourself, something you just want to achieve. So for me right now, this year, I want to be making between $200 and $250 a month from each dividend, and then we'll go from there. But guys, this is where I'm allocating a lot of my money to also this year. Hopefully I can secure a decent amount in this portfolio. We'll see, but it's all about steady growth from here on out, people. It's gonna be awesome. But if you have any questions, leave them in the description. You want to talk about your dividend portfolio, hey, I'm all ears. But that's it for me, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Most definitely like this video. And it's your boy Exit, and I'm out.